Hello YouTube, MUFC Legend here, and I'm back again in the video. And in this video we're going to be talking about Zlatan Ibrahimovic. So Manchester United expect Zlatan Ibrahimovic to sign a new contract to stay at Old Trafford as early as this week, sources have told ESPN. So free agent Ibrahimovic is recovering from a knee ligament injury that he sustained in a Europa League match against Anderlecht, and it was expected to keep him out until 2018. However, the new contract will be announced earlier than anticipated due to the former Sweden's international's quick recovery, and that was a very quick recovery. From the moment he suffered his injury against Anderlecht, it was established that Ibrahimovic would do his rehabilitation at United's Aon Training Centre, even though he was out of contract in June. And Jose Mourinho has wanted him to sign a contract, all the time, and they get on well together. And he was hugely impressed by Ibrahimovic's 28 goals in all competitions in his first season, and his influence in a dressing room that lacked big characters before. But now we've got many characters. So he's Ibrahimovic, and he will sign a Manchester United contract this week, well, as early as this week or maybe even next week. But in my opinion, this is good news. But will he be first team quality for us now? I'm not sure, because the way we're playing at the moment is very attacking, very fluid, very fast and pacey football. And will Ibrahimovic allow that to happen and allow that to continue if he was in the team? I'm not sure. I'm not sure that Ibrahimovic will actually replace anyone in the team at the moment, because our front five, front six attackers were absolutely amazing. I mean, our midfield and attack is just amazing. But anyways, Zlatan Ibrahimovic, apparently, according to ESPN sources, he will return to Manchester, sign a new contract, and will be like a new signing for Manchester United. He did get 28 goals last season, which is absolutely amazing. Proved the doubters wrong, and he was just absolutely world class. So in my opinion, this is actually a good move, but he shouldn't be first team in my opinion. He should only start not every game, but like every 3 or 4 games, squad rotation wise. But that would be amazing to have Ibrahimovic on the bench for us. And when we need the second option, he can just go up and he can show his ability, and that would be amazing. So anyways, Ibrahimovic to sign a contract at Manchester United, ESPN sources. Please like, subscribe. It's been MUFC Legend, and I'll see you guys later.